Hello, I'm Jan from Advacam's technical support, and I will introduce the Edu kit to you. You can either purchase the Edu device itself, that comes in a box. It's the Edu device with a flash drive, or you can get the whole kit, which comes with a sample holder and cable as well. First of all, connect the flash drive and install the PIXet software. I'm using Windows, so I will choose this installation app and simply follow the steps to the end. Once the installation is finished, you can open the app and see how it looks without a device connected. You will see a file device 0 here and also here on the top bar. Now let's quit the application, connect the device and start it again. To begin with, simply connect your Edu device to the sample holder or to a USB port. Now open the PIXet app you installed. Here you can see the main PIXet window. In this left top corner you can see the chip ID of your device. You can see the same here on the top. You can see the main window that represents the pixel matrix, and you can choose between imaging and tracking modes. Imaging represents counts of the particles that are hitting the sensor. Tracking gives you energy of the interacting particles. You can choose how many frames you want to get. You can choose the exposure time. And now you simply click play to start the acquisition, or you click image to capture a single image. You can save the data by clicking the Save Data icon. You have the same option here. You can view the pixel grid if you want to for easier orientation. You can rotate the image if you want to, and you can also choose different color schemes for your measurement. As MiniPIX EDU is our cheap variant of the MiniPIX detector, it may come with certain downsides. The Advacam logo might appear in the bottom left corner. There might be some noisy or bad pixels, and there even may be a column of defective pixels. For the full list of those restrictions and to see the parameters of your device, you can refer to the datasheet of your MiniPIX EDU. For more information about your Edu device, please refer to our Advacam wiki page, where you can also find an extensive list of different EduKit experiments.